Prepare this prayer with just olive oil if nothing is working for you in your life. There are people who are finding it difficult to get headway in anything they do. Whatever others are doing and making headway, they tend to fail. Wherever others are making money, if they venture into it, they fail. If others are getting promoted, they failed. If others are moving ahead in their life, they remain in one spot. If you are that person, then this video is for you. You are welcome back, awesome people. My name is Lukman and you are welcome to my channel Smart Idea TV, where we look at money and spiritual tips and spirituality in general. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple prayer that you can do with olive oil being the major ingredient of the things you are going to need. If you can get olive oil, and if you can say few prayers, few things, you read Psalm. If you can read Psalm, then this prayer will work for you perfectly. Majorly, we are going to be needing olive oil. Then another ingredient we are going to be needing is sea salt. Sea salt, or if you cannot get sea salt, then salt, cooking salt. Cooking salt, just a little. Then you are going to need honey. The other ingredient you are going to be needing is just candle. You just get 3 white candles and that is all. So how do you do this? How do you do it? How do you prepare the recipe, the prayer? One, you just get some salt, sea salt, or just normal cooking salt. A spoon is okay. Just add it to the olive oil. You open the olive oil, you add the salt to the olive oil. Then take a spoon of honey into the olive oil. 1 spoon of honey into the olive oil. Then the last thing that you have to do is to get your candle. Like I said, you are going to need 3 white candles. 3 white candles. You get the 3 white candles. Then when can you prepare this? You can only prepare this exactly 10 p.m. That is 10 in the evening. This is when you will prepare this, 10 p.m. So this is what you do. When you have the olive oil that you already mix your sea salt or salt, then honey, then you will draw a triangle. You are going to draw a triangle. You can use chalk, or you just use your eyes to measure it on a plain floor, a floor that is not carpeted. A floor that is not carpeted, you are going to draw a triangle. Then you place the 3 white candles on each angle of the triangle. Then you put this olive oil at the center, in the middle. You put it in the middle of the triangle and the candle. 1, 2, 3. Then you put this at the middle. I'm going to draw, put the picture here or here on the particular way to position your olive oil and the candle. I'm going to put the picture. So this will be at the middle. Then you go ahead to read Psalm 23 and 24. Psalm 23 and 24. You offer your prayer. After reading that, you make your wishes, your intention. You make it. Your intention is for God to open your way, for things to work for you perfectly, for you to have grace, for you to have things in abundance, and all the rest, for your path to be for breakthrough in all ramification. That is what you are seeking. So that is what you do. And there is a warning. And maybe I should mention the 3 candles that you put, you have to light it after your prayer. After the Psalm 23 and 24, you have to light the 3 candles. You light the 3 candles. Now, this is the warning. If for any reason one of the candles go off, one of the candle go off, then you have to discontinue the preparation. It's not going to work. That one is already spoiled. You can do it some other time, but that particular preparation is gone. You cannot use it again. You cannot use it again. Perchance, if one of the lights, one of the three candles go off, one or two goes off, then you can't do it again. You have to forget it. You do it some other time. So how do you use it? How do you use it? When you have everything set, you've lighted your candle, you've done your prayer, you've done the wishes. This is how to use it. Every morning you just take one lick, just lick one time. Just use your hand to take the oil and lick it. That's the first thing. The second thing is to take small of this and put in your bathing water. Just small of this in your bath. You can use the cover to take small and put in your bathing water. That's number two. The third thing is, after taking your bath, then you can use this one. You can use it to rub your hand like this, or you put it in your forehead, or use it to rub your body from head to toe. You can use it to rub your body. You can even be your cream, your body cream, till you finish using it, till this thing finishes, and you are going to give me your testimony. You are going to thank me for coming in contact with this. It is working. But one good thing about this thing is that it is very difficult to prepare. A lot of people run away from preparing it. But once you can prepare it, be rest assured that it's going to work, because it works. And I've done other videos talking about if things are not working for you, things you can do. I've done other tools. I'm going to be linking 2 of those videos in here so that you can check those out. If you like this, you are definitely going to like those 2. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, you can succeed together. Thank you.